All right, so over here at Miami Outlaw Diesel with the Mad Doctor, Felix. Ding! All right, listen. I'm gonna show you these cool, super cool lights. Wait a second. The best thing about these lights is they only cost $23, and that's with free shipping. So you're saying, okay, what's so cool about these? They look like normal squared lights. No, not the case at all. 23 bucks. All right, so look, you don't need no special computer chip, modem, or switch. You can have a normal on-off switch, and this is what I'm not gonna put the camera right in front of the lights, of course, as they're gonna be too bright. But I'm gonna show you what it does. All right, Felix, hit it once. All right, so that's regular white. He turns it off, and now it's amber. He turns it off again, and now they're flashing. Turns it off again, and now they're flashing in amber. Turns it off again, and now they go back and forth, yellow, amber, and white.
It's called Wick Whack.
Weak white.
Wick Whack.
Wick Whack. Okay, the Master Blaster. Wick Whack. That's five modes. So now this is like a what do you call this? There's a little dimmer. Tungsten bright. Okay, that's 6. Let's go to another one. Daylight 7. And back to the amber. And all you have to do is just turn it on and off. Good construction. You know, how long they're gonna last? I don't know how long they're gonna last, but they look pretty cool, if you ask me.
Let's see what happens when they get wet.
All right, no, now my man just asked me, let's see what happens when they get wet. Well, remember, what you gotta always do when you get these new lights, you gotta make sure that you tighten those screws up.
Are you gonna show them the doors?
Tighten them all up. No, I'm not gonna show them the doors. We're gonna tighten these. I already tightened them up because I already have past experience. So that's it, brothers, sisters. If you like what you see, throw me a thumbs up. You know, it don't hurt you to throw a thumbs up. This is a free channel. You can support me by subscribing to it. And that's it. If you got any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them. And I'll leave you a link with the eBay purchase for these lights. All right, take it easy.